Swapan and I started Haptik with this idea that can conversational AI really be the answer to the most pressing customer problems? The internet has been around for close to half a century, but it's crazy how broken the experience is when a consumer tries to reach out to a business. And this is a deep problem plagued by decades-old inefficient systems that have been designed with the sole goal of saving costs. It was so surprising to us when we read that 80% of businesses and brands believe that they provide amazing customer experience, but only 8% of consumers actually think they're getting the level of experience that they want.
Consumers today have more choices than ever, and if they don't find what they're looking for immediately, they're done. That's where intelligent virtual assistants come in. Using these solutions, we've been able to impact the brand's most important CX metrics such as NPS and CSAT, eventually driving more revenue growth.
The question now really isn't, does conversational AI work to solve my customers' pain points? Because more and more the answer now is yes, it works. The question now really is, how fast can I build it? How does it scale to meet my customers' expectations? And how does it adapt to the specific needs of my business and my industry vertical? To build something that works, is intelligent enough, is a complex, time-consuming process. There is very little productization and domain expertise in the industry so far. Every single one takes a great deal of customization. And as the technology becomes more and more mainstream, it cannot be that way. It has to be easy. It has to be straightforward.
There are a lot of self-serve conversational AI platforms in the market today, but none of them are able to find the balance in serving the complex requirements of an enterprise while still keeping the platform easy to use. At Haptik, we found this gap through constant customer feedback and have invested the past 18 months to solve this problem. With 300 plus enterprise solutions, having processed over 4 billion conversations and touching over 500 million users, we're now ready to launch our self-serve enterprise CX platform.
If you're a product manager looking for a conversational AI solution, you can sign up, build, and deploy within a few days, if not hours.
There are essentially 3 core pieces to our platform. Our Conversation Studio is a low-code builder with 100 plus templates, which we call Smart Skills, across various industries such as e-commerce, telco, insurance, mortgage, and many more. Followed by our Intelligent Analytics. This is the industry's most advanced dashboard that can provide you with real-time insights into your conversations, continuous learning algorithms, and business trends. Followed by, for queries which are complex that require live agent, we provide an easy way for you to plug in your contact center solution that you're already using. In mathematics, there's this concept of low threshold, high ceiling, which essentially means providing an easy way to get started while still being able to make a lot of customizations on top. This has been the core philosophy we have followed while building our enterprise CX platform.
It's truly an inflection point in our industry. It's the coming together of so many pieces over the last few years, and it still feels like there's such a long way to go. I use this line often with my team that it's 1913 and we're building cars. That's really how we think about where our industry is today, the mission behind Haptik's self-serve platform, and the 100+ year journey that lies ahead of us.
So go ahead, sign up on our website and get started on the journey to provide a world-class customer experience.